So I'm like, I said, I'm so over him. I said to her, to be honest, I said, I'm
You love it? Let's go see them. Oh, look how nice the carpet is.
That is cool. Oh yeah, that's what I got.
so it's like, and
Right here.
I talked
Here's all the
Hi. Wow.
Look at this. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Okay, look.
Oh, look at it.
No touching it. You take it. Aren't they gorgeous? Don't touch, remember. Look at these little babies.
Oh, baby. That's so cute.
Remember, don't touch it. Oh, beautiful, right? I was wondering. I can see the big one. No, touch it. Eh? What I say? It's a look.
Wow, look at that. Look at that.
Nothing, no. Nuh-uh. What I say? You're going to get in trouble. We're going to take it out. All right, let's go look. They're beautiful colors.
Is it that?
Look how beautiful he is.
Hi.
Man, I'm so proud of you. Straight right back. Let's go check the other bird. The other side, the big one.
That's the big one.
Big bird?
Yeah.
There's a big bird.
Oh,
Don't touch, okay? Just look.
whoa.
Don't touch, okay?
Hi.
Remember, don't touch.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
So, oh, wow, look at those colors.
Oh, so beautiful. Wow. Oh, look at that. Hi, guys.
Friendly, right? Look at this one. Pink and gray. I never seen a pink and gray. Don't touch. No, don't go your nose either. They'll bite your nose. I think it's fun. And don't know.
Yeah, they can bite you.
Look at these kids. They like this.
Wow.
Yeah, don't insult me. You like this place?
Yes. Big. Wow. Wow.
Mm-hmm. Beautiful.
Hi.
And he said hi. He put his hand up.
Hi.
See? Ah, don't touch it. Okay, remember. $2,000 per year. Whoa. He want to bite.
Wow. This is.
You went too fast, was he scared of birds?
Look at these.
Hi.
Don't touch me.
Wow.
Look, man. A big one. Look how huge.
Wow.
Yellow Amazon.
Yes.
Okay. Old redhead Amazon. Old redhead. See, old head. Don't put your nose, remember. They like to bite you.
She's scared of me with the harmonious.
Wow. Look at that.
This is
So
the
big and pretty.
So big, guys.
He's an old lilac crown Amazon. They come from South America. What's your name? Ah, he's so cute.
Hi. Wow.
Remember, don't touch him, okay? Want Mother to see if one of them I'll get on my finger?
Yeah.
You want to try it?
Yes.
Or you want me? The
Yeah.
little finger.
What? We did it.
Oh, okay. Okay, you gotta go clean your hands. So. Maybe we should. I'm trying to traumatize him. It's gonna go crazy. Oh, yeah. I think he'll be the first one with it because he's out the cage. You're not scared. Let's try to pick it up. You go try. No? Okay. No. You gotta clean your hands this way. This hand sanitizer right there. But we won't do it because we're kind of scared. Okay? The first time. Next time, we'll come with Poppy and we'll try it. Sound good? Yeah, Poppy teaches.
It's not bad.
We'll bring Baby Diana. She like birds. She got to go back in the house. Yeah, we'll bring Baby Diana. She got birds in her house. Maybe we'll go visit.
Yep.
Yeah. You can see her birdies. And then get familiar.
Yep.
Oh, look. They like fruits like you, right? It's dry, but it's fruit. You see it right there. Banana. Oranges. Grape. Huh? Oh, yeah, I got that. 6%. Yeah, a little bit more. All right, let's get down from the chair. Need help? 1, 2, 3.
How we got out.
What is
You
that?
want to touch them the next time, okay?
Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry.
Look at her. She's gorgeous. Touch her. Do not open.
Please stop it.
Look at her showing off. Is it? He's trying to get over here.
Oh, cute.
Ah, bite it.
Oh, you like that?
You like the nails on the side?
Wow. What's that? Wow!
They get scared at first.
No, Rosie, Rosie.
She was saying hi to me.
Hi!
She did come over to you. How cute.
Now she said bye. I said, now she said bye. Wow. You're so cute. Hi.
Don't put your hand in there.
Oh, look at that. So good.
She's called a red-hooded Amazon.
But cricket and sun.
Right here.
Let's put Amazon.
Just that. Let's put it Amazon.
Let's put Amazon.
Yes.
Wow.
Rosie? Just put our hands through it.
Don't worry, make sure. She saw the guy was like, Mom, you